We were waiting years for Google to make its first smartwatch, but it looks like we won't have to wait half as long for its successor. So hey everyone, I am Ayush, and if you are new here, don't be shy, do subscribe now. According to source, Google is planning on releasing the Pixel Watch 2 alongside the Pixel 8 smartphone. Given Pixel phones tend to launch in October, the release could be as little as 5 months away. The finished product may not be called the Pixel Watch 2, that's just the assumption based on the way Google numbers its Pixel phones. It could equally take a leaf out of Apple's book and call it the Series 2, or make things hellishly confusing by just calling it Pixel Watch and leaving consumers to figure out which one they're holding. Although the release of the Pixel Watch may appear to be a quick turnaround, it's important to note that the development of the first-generation Pixel Watch had been in progress for quite some time. In fact, rumors about a Pixel Watch had been circulating as far back as 5 years ago, which had prompted Google to confirm to us exclusively that it had no plans to launch a wearable device in 2018. That didn't stop the rumors that Google was working on something behind the scenes, and interesting patents continued to emerge suggesting something was in the works, before Jon Prosser leaked promo material at the start of 2022. When a functioning prototype was discovered in a restaurant last April, it appeared to confirm the existence of the Pixel Watch, and Google subsequently announced its upcoming release at the Google I/O 2022 conference. For one, it feels likely that the Pixel Watch 2 outer design isn't going to change too much, not just as it's a very good-looking wearable already, but because if a new design was imminent, it would likely have already leaked. Instead, we expect changes on the inside. The Pixel Watch doesn't exactly use state-of-the-art internals, so that's an easy win. It is possible that Google gives us an early preview at next week's Google I/O 2023 conference. That kicks off on Wednesday, May 10th, so watch this space. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? Do let us know in the comments section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.